She's alive! Alive! Alright, good morning YouTubers. You found do it yourself, do it right. I'm Dave, and as you can tell, I'm in the garage. Today's video is gonna be a little different than the other ones. I'm gonna take you back, take you back to my past projects, a little walk down memory lane, if you will. It's some of these pictures and videos are gonna, make me a little sad because I had, I sold some of the bikes. Well, I've sold pretty much all the bikes. So, a little heartbroken, but, yeah, there's also going to be, some pictures and videos of, projects that are still here, like the car. That car will, never leave. She's here forever. Same with this little guy right here. This little, CB360. This bike is, what started it all for me, really. I wanted to build a cafe racer. It's kind of more of a brat style bike now. I've been trying to make it a little bit more comfortable for me to ride. It's a little bike, and I'm kind of a bigger guy, so I kind of look like a maybe a circus bear while I'm riding it. But anyways, little shout out to the Classic Octane. This guy really helped me out. He's got that's his YouTube name. Go ahead, search him up. If you're into classic bikes, he does, obviously, Classic Octane. He helped me out tremendously with a CB550. Not personally, his videos, but yeah, you'll see some. I think there's a video. You'll see a video of the 550 and lots of pictures. That bike, I dug it out of a garage in South Carolina and brought it home, and I had it for a few years because once I got it finished, I really loved it. So I kept it, and it hurt my feelings a little bit when I sent it down the road. But that's what I do, buy, sell, fix, and then send them down the road. And hopefully the people that I sell them to, hopefully they keep them going. That's the whole point. That's my goal. It's one of my goals with the classic bikes. Get them out of those garages. Get them out of those barns. Get them back on the road. Let people, enjoy them. Because there's something special about running down the road on a 1975 or 74 or 69, whatever, whatever year you like. Vintage bike. It's just, it's not the same. Yes, the Harleys are nice. But, every once in a while, you throw your leg over a vintage bike. It's fun. The chance of breaking down is, a little exciting. Gives you something to work on later. So anyways, it's going to be like a little montage video. Videos and pictures of past projects. So get ready. It's coming up. That's what she looks like now. That's not what she's gonna look like for long. She's alive! Alive! Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that mashup of videos and pictures. You know, maybe all that gave me a little bit more street cred, you know, because all my previous videos, just me doing a bunch of talking. I'm really not doing shit. So I'm just trying to get through this you know, introduction phase of all my videos, let you guys see what I'm working with, you know, what I'm all about, how I go about doing it. So hopefully all that, you know, like I said, give me a little bit of street cred. But yeah, I think it's gonna do it. If you guys like the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you know, please do. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at diydaveb, and of course that's at Instagram. And also, you want to email me, my email address is pretty much the same, diydaveb@gmail.com. And I've also created a Facebook group. You know, Facebook group is do it yourself, do it right. And you know, I'm looking for people that are just doing their DIY projects. It doesn't matter if it's on cars, if it's on bikes, if it's on your house, you know, any DIY project, you know, go ahead and throw it up there. You know, I like to see what people are doing. I'm gonna go ahead and you know, I'm gonna start throwing my pictures up there, stuff that I've done, not just cars, but you know, around the house. You know, I built a pergola, so you know, let's get that thing going too. You know, I like to see what people are doing, how they're doing it. You know, it gets me some good ideas. So like I said, it's gonna do it for this video, and like always, hopefully you liked it, and we'll see you again next time.